Mama Nature here. Mama Nature here, welcome home. This video is part of my new Back to the Basics series. I'm going to teach you how to do simple things like how to fry an egg, how to make mashed potatoes, and other things that really are starters for other bigger, more complicated recipes. Subscribe below if you want to see more like this in the future. Today we're going to make some mashed potatoes. Here's what you're going to need. I've got 2 Idaho potatoes, some real butter, salted butter, and just a little bit of whole organic milk. And we're going to just dice these up and put them in a stainless pot with some boiling water. I'm just going to use 2 potatoes because I'm only cooking for 2 people, my husband and I, so 2 is plenty. And what I did was I used a good vegetable scrubbing cloth to scrub the dirt off of these real good because I'm going to keep the skin. The skin is where a lot of your nutrients are from the soil, and we don't want to take that off. But of course, you can peel yours if you'd like. So we're going to start with a good sharp knife. Make sure that your knife has freshly been sharpened. You want a good edge on there because nothing is more dangerous in your kitchen than a dull knife. And I'm just going to start by slicing these into about 1/2 inch discs, and then I'll take those discs and cut them in half and then into little pieces like this so the boiling water can soften them quickly and easily. And I keep my trash can right behind me so that when I come to an undesirable piece I can just turn and toss it. So my potatoes are in the boiling water, and I'm going to let that go for about 10 minutes. Does anyone else have a favorite burner on their stove? I seem to always use this one. I'm just going to reach up here and set my timer for 10 minutes. There we go. And that is the only thing you will ever see me use my microwave for. We don't nuke food in Mama's kitchen. When your water comes up to a good rolling boil, you want to turn the temperature down. I have mine between medium and low, and I might even go a little bit lower. We just want it to simmer for 10 minutes. We're going to be using real butter in our mashed potatoes. Why? Besides the fact that it just tastes better? Because margarine and even your plant-based spreads are partially hydrogenated oils, which makes them trans fatty acids. Now we know that they're bad for us, but why are they bad for us? Well, it's because they tend to raise our bad cholesterol, our LDL cholesterol levels, and they also lower our HDL, our good cholesterol levels. And that, of course, is going to contribute to heart disease. It's going to clog arteries, and they've actually found in studies with children with asthma that it exacerbates the function of your respiratory system. So just get it out of your kitchen, never use it again. In fact, if you're going to go ahead and use margarine in your recipe, then just turn off my channel. You're not going to appreciate anything else that I have to teach you because Mama Nature has no poison in her kitchen, period. Okay, we're almost there. I drained the boiling water out of the potatoes, and now I'm going to begin to mash them with my potato masher. This one has a handle on the top, so it's easy for me to push down on it. The ones that have the handle that sticks straight up, they're going to cause slipping because you've got steam coming off, and it's just not the most efficient way. This way, you can even get the little ones involved because it's fun to just kind of push and mash, and well, it's just fun. Alright, I've got this all good and mashed up, and I'm going to remove my masher. I'm going to put links below this video for my masher and for my beautiful stainless cookware, which I always recommend. You want to stay away from non-stick coatings entirely, so look for the links below. I'm going to get that out of the way, and I'm going to add in some butter, which I keep at room temperature. And then I'm going to put in some milk. which again, I warmed on the stove. It did not go in the microwave, but you want to use warmed milk. There you go. It just does something to the consistency. It's a much better way to go. Another nice stainless implement, and we're just going to give that a stir. Get that all mixed in real nice. And here's where you can go ahead and add any seasonings that you like. And for us, we just put a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. Pink Himalayan salt or sea salt. Much better than table salt because there's actually allowable amounts of trace wood particles that's allowed in your table salt. We don't want any of that either. So look at that, nice, rich, creamy. That's a mashed potato. Oh boy. I hope you enjoyed this Back to Basics video. If you did, please click the subscribe button below and then click on the little bell because that'll ensure that you get the next video that comes along. And once again, you can make and keep yourselves well. Thank you. Till next time.